Good afternoon, guys. It's Natalie with Roadmaster Auto Sales. Check out this 2014 Toyota Prius V. It has under 35,000 miles and is basically almost brand new. It has no accidents or damage reported on it whatsoever, and it's in fantastic condition. It has an automatic transmission with 4 cylinders. The interior is a luxurious gray leather and is absolutely pristine. Being a hybrid, this car is great on gas. Gives you 44 miles in the city and 40 miles on a highway. This car comes with plenty of convenience and entertainment features. It has a navigation system, wireless phone connectivity, and an exterior parking camera. It also comes with auto-dimming rear view mirror and headlight cleaning. The back seat is spotless and has a ton of room with a split folding rear seat. The trunk is super big and spacious for all of your cargo needs. Take a final look at our 2014 Toyota Prius V. Just give us a call at 865-357-8816 to let us know you're on your way so we can provide you with a safe, pleasant, and clean experience. We hope to see you soon.